Guys, I had just finished a swim at the gym the other day, and instead of like putting on my sports bra back on, I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna leave things the way they are, and I put on like a sweatshirt. Big mistake, because I was the most uncomfortable person on the road, and this day I walked home. I literally was walking on the street, and in my head, it must have been in my head, but I felt like everything was just it was so bad. It was so bad that I spent the whole time walking on the road with my phone like this, just to hold them down, guys. I was so uncomfortable. And I mean, I give it out like to all the girls out there who confidently walk on the streets without, you know, a bra on, or those who don't have a big bust that they can go out without wearing a bra and wear like a loose sweatshirt. Because that must have been like the most uncomfortable 20 minutes of my life. Like, uncomfortable. Hello lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Caroline for Calicious Loves. In today's video, we are talking about bras. 5 signs that you need to change your bra, girl. There's this notion that you should change your bras every year or every 6 months, but I think that really depends on like how often you wear your bra and how it fits. So let's focus on not necessarily changing your bras often, but does it fit right? It's not the bra that you wear every day you will have for 5 years. I'm not trying to throw shade, okay, but girl, no. I think it's really important to make sure that our bras fit right, because if they don't, you will start having issues like with back pain and your boobs just hurting because they're not fully supported. I am going to be trying on a Bravissimo bra and giving you some tips on what you should look out for. The bra is telling you, change me, change me. I've got this gift that I got from Bravissimo. I am a 34GG. They do cover a lot of women with bigger cups, like bigger busts. So if you are a big girl and you struggle to find the right size for you, head to Bravissimo. They should be able to cater for you. We're not going to talk about how to measure your bra size, but I'm going to put a link down below on how you can find the right fit for you. Bravissimo also does like virtual fitting, or you can go in their store where they can measure you and tell you what size is best for you. Let me just compliment this top. It's like a crochet, like a see-through but crochet top, and I've got a Nubian skin bra on that matches my skin tone. That's why you can't see the color of my bra. Keep the aunties guessing. They'll be like, ah, see this girl, she's got a white top on. What kind of bra does she have in there? Don't be showing bra here. No, we ain't showing bras. You can't see the color of my bra. And I think it's just perfect for those girls that want to be a bit mysterious. Get 10% off Nubian Skin using my code Calicious10. I'll put it here, and I'll also put it in the description below. It's summer, guys. There's no need for us to see the color of your bras when you're wearing white or sheer tops. So I've got my Nubian Skin bodysuit. I already talked about the 10% discount, so this is what I'm going to be using to try on. Okay, it's not gonna be me with my bare skin putting on a bra. When you look at it, it does look huge, but it's all about keeping the babies comfortable. So it's called the Nellie Bra in 34GG. This was £42. I won't lie, the bras are quite pricey, but comfort over bras that are cheap and hurting you. Okay, so I'm gonna try this on and then show you the things that you should look out for. When I put a new bra, I am so excited. Like, I'll be walking on this streets like, okay. People will be wondering, this girl, why is she walking so comfortable? Hey, it's from within. You can't see what's making me comfortable or what's making me confident. And I think it's really important to pay attention to your undergarments, because sometimes when you don't have the right undergarments, we can tell that, sister, you're not comfortable, you're not feeling your confident self. So you can be wearing one fine designer, but we can tell that that bra is not fitting right, and it's just off-putting, personally. Okay, so the first sign is the stretched straps. Okay, I know it might look like, okay, we've got our boobs, sometimes we don't even feel like they're there, but they are quite heavy and they take on a lot of weight. So if you see that your straps are very stretchy and sometimes they look bendy, that is a sign to change your bra. No matter like how you bring in the straps, like to adjust the straps to bring them in, there's just signs that the strap has lived its life. So that could be one sign that your bra needs to be changed. A bra is like tire, wear and tear. You know, as it lives its life, it's just not supporting you the way it's supposed to. The band should stay in line, not coming up like making a cave. Like a cave, that means it's too loose. Like over time, the material has stretched out too much. You need to change it, okay? Number 3, when your boobs pour out. Okay, you know, like when you wear a t-shirt or when you wear like sort of like a satin top and you can see that your boob is flooding out. Just even if it's just slightly, it's just kind of like flooding out of the cup. That is a sign that maybe your bra is too small. If you are wearing the right bra, the cup is meant to cover the whole boob. If you feel your cup is digging into your skin, it's too small. And if there's so much space in the cup, then it's too big. If you got a wired bra and it's digging into your skin, I think majority of us have been through that. I have. You can tell that, this bra is hurting me. And if you have a big bust, most of your bras will be wired, because it's mostly the wired bras that will support big bust babes. So if it's digging into your skin, the wire is coming out. Not necessarily coming out of the material of the bra, but you can just feel it. No, that's a sign you need to change your bra. Yes, the wire are there to support you, not to hurt you, okay? Finally, if your bra is tearing, you know, the mesh inside is coming out, the color is faded out, that is a sign that you have outlived your bra. The bra has to go. I never wash my bras in the washing machine. I feel like there's so much pressure going in the machine. It affects my my bands, my straps. So if you want your bras to live longer, I would say stop washing them in the washing machine. It's okay, sister, you can wash with your hands. I'm telling you guys, washing machines have damaged my bras. It's hard to portray confidence if what you're wearing inside is not making you comfortable. So I hope you found this helpful. Share with a girl who might find this helpful. And if you're not sure about your bra size, I told you already, I will put the link in the description below. And you know, let's go out there this summer with our boobs covered, supported like they should be, and we go out there, walk confidently. We go out there, we're running on the streets, and we know that this bra's got us. We're walking on the streets and we're not doing this. That day, I'll never do that again. I was so uncomfortable. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!